Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to relearn a key, an ignition key of your Seat Ibiza. We have a seat at the driver's side, and we need two keys for that. One already learned key, which we can use to enable the ignition first. That means we are now getting that enabled key into position and switch the ignition on. We does not have to start the engine. And in this status, we go out of the car and use the key which we are going to relearn or to make enabled this key. Now we enter the key which we are going to learn into the lock, and we lock the car. And while we are pushing enable the key, we open and close the car's lock. Then, of course, we have relearned the system, or the key, of course. We can open the system and have a seat. Now we can remove the already learned key out of the car, of course, and we can check that the new key is relearned done. Switch off and switch on the vehicle by using the remote. Job's done. If it works really good. Of course, you can enter into the ignition and switch on the car and use the car with the key. And of course, you can open and lock the car with that new relearned key. Really good and easy process. Yeah, this is Seat Ibiza. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!